Welcome to the second instalment of our mini-series on the JS01 J1939 NMEA 2000 Engine Data Gateway. Today, we'll show you how to update the JS01 firmware using an Android device via Bluetooth. First, ensure the JS01 is connected to a 12V NMEA 2000 backbone and powered on. It doesn't need to be connected to the campus system for this step. Next, download the JS01 config app and the latest firmware from our website, and save the .bin file to your device. Open the app, tap Start Scanning and wait for the JS01 to appear. Tap Connect, then Config. On the next screen, you'll see the current firmware and app versions. Scroll down and tap Upgrade Firmware. Select the .bin file you downloaded and tap Start Upgrade. The process will run automatically, and once complete, you'll see a success message and return to the home screen. You can then power cycle and then reconnect to confirm the firmware update. To find out what's changed in the updates, please check the README file included with the firmware download. As always, stay safe and happy sailing!